welcome to my channel Arrow to Success. I am Suprit. In this channel, we will help you to find some solutions of different aspects of life where you are feeling difficult, and moreover, we will also help you in achieving something that you are planning to do in life. Also, this channel contains few successful stories which will be uploading in upcoming days. The main idea of this channel is to guide you in achieving success. Before starting my first session, let me give you a preview of this session. I think you will be more familiar about education system from kindergarten to 10th SLC. Now I will concentrate more about career guidance after 10th. Many students have confusion about what to do after 10th. Now let me begin. The first session include different levels of education system. Basically, our education system starts from kindergarten, primary, secondary, higher secondary, graduation, post-graduation. Primary education start from the class 1 to 5, age of 6 to 11. Secondary education start from the class 6 to 10 and the age of 11 to 15. Higher secondary education start from the class 11 to 12, age of 16 to 17. Graduation consists of three types: professional, medicine, commerce. Professional contain 4 years, medicine 5 years, commerce 3 years, and post-graduation include 1 to 3 years. After 10th, our education system is classified as engineering diploma, 12th standard, various diploma courses. Now let's see one by one. Firstly, engineering diploma also having many branches like government contractor, civil electrical, degree engineer, RTO inspector, associate membership of Institute of Engineering MIE, Merchant Navy. And next one is various diploma courses like interior designer, stenography, private secretary practices, beauty culture and hairdressers, garment technology. Leaving these two branches, there are many branches where you can find and grab jobs as an LIC agent, art teacher in diploma, Navy, Army, Air Force, as a ticket checker in railway, ITI, government clerk jobs and government clerks, diploma in dance and music, diploma in farm management and laboratory technician certificate courses, data entry operator. Apart from this, when a student enter into a PU scheme which includes three type of streams: commerce stream, science stream, art stream. Now let us see one by one. Firstly, commerce stream, which includes CA Foundation, CS Foundation, BCom, BBA, BCA, BArch, call centers, DEd. Whereas BCom include different bank exams, developer officer exams, CMBA, marketing finance, materials and manager of businessman, LLB, LLM to become a lawyer, CA to crack a bank exams, BEd, MEd to become a teacher, librarian, import export diploma, CS, MCA and MCM to crack a software jobs, and civil exams like UPSC to become a IAS officer, and computer courses and Indian Military Academy courses also being provided in commerce stream. Now let's see the courses offered in art stream: diploma programs, degree program, professional programs. In diploma programs, there are various courses like diploma in education, foreign language, travel and tourism, hotel management, etc. And degree programs like BA, BBA, BBM, Bachelor of Library Science, Social Work, Journalism, etc. And professional programs like CS, CA program, ICWA, and LIC, call centers, NDA also provided. Now let's see what are the courses offered in science stream. There are three types of courses offered in science stream: PCMC, PCMB, PCME, MPC or PCMC both are same, BPC and PCMB both are same. MPC students are eligible to take engineering courses by qualifying the entrance exams like KCET, state exams, and JEE Mains and Advanced. After qualifying the entrance exam, the student can be eligible to take engineering courses like CS, IT, ECE, EEE, Civil, Mechanical, Aeronautical, and so on. And BPC students are eligible to take medical courses and paramedical and BPharm BSc courses after they are qualifying the entrance exams. Entrance exam offered in science stream in medical are NEET, JIPMER, KSET, state exam and AIMS, and some of these exams which have been listed here. And these two engineering and medical courses are science stream. Diploma courses and teaching and ENDA courses are not in science stream. Please take the screenshot of this page. It will be helpful to know entrance exam after 12th standard in future, which is listed in left side of the page. I think now you will be free from all your doubts and confusions. If this video helpful to you, then please share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any queries, please contact the below email ID arrowtosuccess@gmail.com. Thank you for watching this video.